We spend billions of dollars today developing nanotechnology. Entire labs, supercomputers, atomic-level microscopes. But it turns out, ancient blacksmiths may have already been using nanotech 1,000 years ago, by accident. The legendary Damascus steel swords weren't just sharp. They were almost mythical. Accounts describe blades that could slice through armor, flex without breaking, and hold an edge far longer than anything their enemies carried. For centuries, historians thought the stories were exaggerated. Then modern scientists looked closer. Much closer. Under powerful electron microscopes, researchers analyzing surviving Damascus blades discovered something shocking hidden in the steel's internal structure. Carbon nanotubes. Structures so small they're measured in billionths of a meter. So advanced that we use them today in aerospace, electronics, and advanced materials research. And somehow, they were inside medieval swords. Carbon nanotubes are one of the strongest materials ever discovered. They're lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel, and incredibly resilient. Today, manufacturing them requires extreme heat, controlled environments, and precise chemistry. But ancient blacksmiths had none of that, so how did this happen? Damascus steel was made from a rare form of high-carbon steel known as woots. Imported from India and Central Asia, the forging process involved carefully controlled heating, slow cooling, and repeated hammering. No one knew why the process worked, only that it did. What modern analysis suggests is that trace elements in the woot steel, combined with specific forging temperatures, caused carbon atoms to self-organize into nanotube-like structures. Not intentionally, but effectively. Those nanotubes helped reinforce the steel at the microscopic level, giving the blades their legendary strength, flexibility, and edge retention. In other words, ancient blacksmiths weren't just shaping metal. They were unknowingly engineering it at the nanoscale. And here's the part that frustrates modern science. We still can't reliably reproduce authentic Damascus steel the way it was made back then. We can get close. We can imitate the patterns. But the exact combination of materials, impurities, and forging techniques was lost when the supply of woot steel disappeared centuries ago, which means something profound. Advanced technology doesn't always come from advanced understanding. Sometimes it comes from centuries of experimentation, tradition, and craftsmanship, refined through hands, not equations. This doesn't mean ancient blacksmiths understood nanotechnology as we define it today. But it does mean their work accidentally crossed into a domain we consider modern. And it forces us to rethink what advanced really means. Because the past wasn't primitive, it was observant, iterative, and occasionally brilliant in ways we're still trying to decode. The next time you hear the word nanotechnology, don't just picture clean rooms and lab coats. Picture a forge, a hammer, and a blacksmith shaping steel that modern science still struggles to fully understand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post new videos.